Hello friends, I am Saurabh Gupta from Prakash Group of Industries. Today I am really excited to show you our brand new product SPBM 2C360. It's a automatic square bottom paper bag making machine with inline two color flexo printing. It's an automatic machine with servo control, touch screen and PLC. All you have to do is put a roll, the printing will be done, tube formation is there, bottom formation is there, bottom closing, bottom pasting, and then finally you get a final product at the delivery. I'm really excited to show you what's inside. Come on, let's go. This is the first section of the machine. This is called reel stand. We load reel here, and the best part of this section is all the functions are fully automatic here. This machine has got automatic tension control system, which means entire braking is automatic. You just have to set the tension once, and then it takes care of that tension throughout the life of the roll. Your operator doesn't have to do back and forth, whether the roll is big or small. It maintains that tension. It becomes quite easy for him. Additionally, it has got automatic and manual mode. You can run in either mode. Another feature of this machine is automatic web guide system. Some people call it edge control. So this is used to handle the rolls which are not perfectly round. They are either inside or outside, which creates problem in running the machine. So this system has got an ultrasonic sensor to handle the reels which are not perfectly round. They are either inside or outside, which creates problem in running the machine. So this sensor automatically adjusts the whole assembly and feeds the paper perfectly in center to the machine. Paper reels in paper bag machines are quite heavy. They may weigh from somewhere around 400 kgs to 800 kg, and loading them and unloading them from the machine can be quite a messy task. For this very purpose, we have given hydraulic system. With a single push of a button, you can either lower the reel or lift the reel. That's quite easy, isn't it? We have given air shaft in this machine. This air shaft is quite easy to operate. You just have to put air in the shaft and it will hold the reel from inside quite tightly. And not only it's easy to operate, but it also keeps the reel safe from damage. We have got pneumatic disc brake in this machine. This has got 4 calipers and it operates by air. Entire braking of the machine is controlled by this section. This is our two-color inline printing machine. There are two sections stacked on top of each other. This printing is done on flexo method. Let me take you to the printing section for more details. In this stack type flexo printing, we have given open ink tray system in which you can use water-based ink or solvent-based ink. This rubber metering roller picks up the ink from the tray, transfers it to Anilox, and then further transfers to the Nilo or stereo. And then the final impression is being given on the paper. Same settings can be done for the second section, and you can print any design in two colors that you want. It's quite easy to operate. We have given such a system that the printing does not move when the press speed goes up or down. So this was all basic things about our printing section. But we have given some extra features in this section to make the job easier. First of all the blocks of this printing section are quite heavy in cast iron to minimize the vibration and make the printing more clearer. Second, whenever the press stops, with this pneumatic piston, the plate roller comes up automatically, and when the press starts again, it comes down automatically. This saves your Nilo plate and also it doesn't hamper your registration. Third is the gears that we have given. All the printing roller gears are helical. These helical gears give sharp printing and no vibration and noise whatsoever. Fourth is the motor that we have given on the Anilox. It's an independent motor which starts operating when the machine stops, so that your Anilox roller keeps on rotating and the ink on the Anilox doesn't dry up. Let me take you to the next section of the machine, tube formation. In this tube formation section, tube is being made. For tube making, we have given two plates. You can increase the width or decrease the width of the paper bag based on these tubes. And secondly, for gusset or bottom, we have given these aluminium discs. You can insert as much as you want into the former to get the desired gusset or bottom. We have also given the runners here to control the tube so that paper travels straight and firmly into the next section. Let's move to our next section, bottom forming and bottom pasting section. In this section, bottom is being formed, opened, and then finally pasted together. Once your tube and gusset are formed, next section is the cutting section. which is quite easy to do. You just have to enter the value of your cut length of the tube into the computer screen, and the computer cuts as per your entered number. Once the cutting is done here, tube is then fed into the creasing section. Creasing is set as per your bottom size. Once the creasing is done, tube then passes on to the next section, which is your bottom opening section. Once our bottom is formed and opened, next step is to apply glue to the bottom and then finally close the bottom. Here we put glue for the bottom section. This glue is transferred onto the bottom of the paper bag, and then further down in the drum, bottom is closed. Now we have come to our last section, which is called bottom closing section. In this section, when we have already applied glue at the bottom, here at the drum, we close the bottom so that you get the final product at the conveyor in the end.